This is the last trip you will make in Kosovo. First, you arrive in Gjakova, a town between Prizren and Peja that during the Ottoman period served as a trading center on the route between Shkodra and Constantinople. It is a small place whose main attractions is the old bazaar, and which is in fact the oldest bazaar in Kosovo. By this time, you have been traveling for half a year. You have seen many other bazaars, many other places. You have lived many moments, some alone, others with friends. Gjakova is a city you go through alone, and you go through it fast. There is not much to see. Maybe Kosovo is too small for you. Maybe it is time to go to another country. Churches and mosques begin to seem repetitive. People are still friendly and charismatic, but you also feel that the change of people is necessary. Seeing the tombs in the Hadum Mosque reminds you that your days are numbered, and that if you feel that something is not enough, you should change it. The shops and restaurants in Gjakova are quite beautiful. You see people drinking and eating together, and it reminds you of your friends who are now in Macedonia. You walk towards the bus station to go to Peja before leaving Kosovo. Back on the bus, again you arrive in a different city. You walk through almost empty streets. You do not have a definite plan. You drink some water from a nearby fountain. Life is chaotic when you have a routine and when you do not. Being in small places like Peja makes you feel calmer, more in balance. You discover that on the outskirts of the city there is a monastery, the patriarchal monastery of Pek. You go to it. Then, when you arrive, the police ask you for your passport. It is something routine. Crossing the monastery entrance is like finding peace. place is a Serbian Orthodox monastery dating back to the 13th century, and its colors are amazing. Not just the green of nature, but the deep red of the main building. Being there, you wonder if maybe a place like this is where you would like to live, away from everything and everyone. From the problems, from the decisions, from the societies. Having time and tranquility to meditate on all those questions that you ask yourself every day and whose answers are of no interest or benefit to anyone. Walking inside, works of art tell of the chapters of the theological history of the world, of us. The monastery, the last bastion of solitude, attacked by the endless stream of information and notifications. No, you could not. You could not stay in one place. Your feet ask you to move. They ask you to admire what you love and confront what bothers you. They ask you to leave, because to stop is to die. Back in the city of Peja, you enjoy the landscapes that the sunset silhouettes and the routines that those sunsets bring with them. The workers return home, the streets gradually becoming deserted, and the lights of the street lamps illuminate darkness deeper than those that hide in the corners of the city.